Top 5 innovative inventions revolutionizing water conservation today. 1. Water conservation is crucial for a sustainable future. Let's explore innovative inventions making a difference. 2. Smart irrigation systems optimize water use by adjusting based on weather and soil moisture levels. 3. Low-flow fixtures reduce water usage in homes without sacrificing performance, saving thousands of gallons annually. 4. Water recycling systems treat and purify wastewater, allowing it to be reused for irrigation and plumbing. 5. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and store rainwater, providing a sustainable water source for various uses. Support water-saving innovations and help preserve our precious resource.